Hello teacher, today I want to talk about the direct method communicative language teaching. Okay, after I study the lesson, the direct method, I found that this lesson is very important for teaching English because it focuses on the practice use of language in the classroom. Students can listen, can speak, read and write in English directly without depending on translation. I hope students become more confident in speaking and invaluable than to use English in their daily life. Okay, main point of the lesson. One, no translation. Teacher use picture or action to explain meaning instructs of translation. Number two, target language only. In the classroom, both teacher and student mainly use English. Number three, emphasis on speaking. Students practice conversation and answer questions friendly. The next, number four, grammar. Grammar in deductive method. Students observe, explain, and discover grammar rule by themselves. Number four, classroom activity. Activity include find in the blank, the caption role play and paragraph writing. The next, error correction. I think teacher can help students correct mistake through ourselves correct or pair correction. Yeah. Applying this lesson to grade 4, grade 5 or grade 6 students, I think we use simple vocabulary and picture. Takes the present continuous tense through real action. Example: what am I do? You are speaking. Yeah. The next, for advantage of the direct method, I think the direct method can help students improve their English speaking skill, increase student confidence in communication, make the classroom more active and engaging, help students learn language in real life, contact develop listening and speaking skill quietly. For disadvantage of the direct method, I think require teacher with high English. Yes, take more time to explain new vocabulary, difficult to teach abstract or complex idea. Some students may not understand without translation. Requiring many teaching methods such as picture and activity. The next, inclusion. This method is a effective way to teach English in primary school because it contact action learning and help students use English natural in real life situation. Yes, thank you, teacher.